You can bat your meku anytime. Faith is now. He said the fullness of time has not come. Who determines the fullness of time? It is you. Until you are bold to confront whatever is confronting you, you will never conquer. Jesus said, children's bread, they are not meant for dogs. The woman said, you are right, sir. Anyone who has faith always have sound mind. That's my problem. How will you be coming to Bible study? How will you be hearing the word of God and your mind will not be sound? You will not know how to talk your way through. You will say you lack utterance. It's because you are faithless. Only, sir. No, this is a woman interacting with the King of Heaven, Jesus Christ. Says, sir, you are right, sir. But can I also tell you this? He said, dogs used to eat from the crumbs that falls from the children's table. She was not angry. Nothing. She talked her way through. You have waited enough for your miracle.